From the main list, item number 1.
There is also Mozika. Yes.
But I'm online, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, they called me last night, my lord, from ministry, and they're requesting for some more time, my lord, to examine the matter.
Very well. How much?
They're asking for 4 weeks, but I
No. 4 weeks is too much. We'll give you 10 days. Then we are not
15 days. 15 days, my lord.
Very well. The union seeks time, full stop. Let the matter appear. A fortnight ends. Paragraph. In the meantime, Mr. Khan, we have just gone through all the orders and we've seen the total ad hoc remuneration paid over the last 15 months is 13 lakh, which is quite a pittance. So we are requiring some further ad hoc payment to be made to Justice Katak, because the work that he's been doing and the detailed reports that have been coming are, and now as you try to convince us, you are also with him. We are not convinced, but at least that's what your recent refrain has been.
Lordship,
regarding
putting up the courts, Lordship.
Sorry?
The last time I made a submission in Lordship,
yes.
I stopped at the point when I said the system is at place, the courts are at place. And Lordship, what was fallen from the court was, what are the follow-up action? Lordship, that we had brought to the knowledge of the court.
You'll get time, because this is important. If you do it, we may not need central assistance at all.
Absolutely, Lordship.
Absolutely. It does not, give us great pride or joy to ask for assistance.
Absolutely, Lordship.
It is a kind of desperation on the part of the court, because we are all duty bound.
Absolutely.
As much as you, so are we duty bound to ensure orders of the Supreme Court are followed.
Absolutely.
And it is out of desperation that we ask, because we found that you are lacking.
Absolutely.
But if you are serious and we find your intention to be serious, we don't need external assistance.
In fact, Lordship, that was what I was about to submit today.
We do not need external assistance. It hurts our pride as much as it hurts your pride.
Absolutely, Lordship. And
Lordship, this is the High Court of Meghalaya.
And Lordship, we represent the public.
We do not want to take outside assistance that we are unable to manage our own affairs. But that was done because we found lack of intent, and we've given reasons. It's not something that we've kind of off the cuff made a remark. You'll find the consistent orders, reasons are given. Even when you said last time there was an incident in Riboy.
Absolutely, Lordship.
So, there was some basis to...
But Lordship, the follow-up action was done. As I submitted, Lordship, under the Act, state government, no civilian, no civil person can file a complaint. It has to be an authority under the Act. And Lordship, after the authority under the Act assume power, so anybody, Lordship, any aggrieved citizen,
you activate that mechanism. If that mechanism is not working properly, you come and tell us.
Absolutely, Lordship.
You come and tell us. You activate that mechanism.
Lordship,
but if one or two, you put the fear of God into them,
absolutely,
the rest will think twice before they, undertake these activities.
Absolutely.
So we're not saying anything. We are merely adjourning the matter right now. But please don't get us wrong. We are not happy.
Lordship, we are fully aware why the court is so concerned, and we have pulled up our socks. We have put the system in place. If I just take a Lordship to the affidavit of 13 February 2023, for a moment, Lordship, just kindly allow me to take page 21. We have annexed the list, Your Lordship. This is illegal transportation of coal from 2022 till January 2023. We have annexed, Lordship, the list of almost at least 31 cases, Your Lordship. Lordship, for a moment, if I
have they been seized?
Lordship, seized, yes.
And
No,
what are you
we'll
doing
file
with the
follow-up
seized-
details.
What are you doing with the seized gold?
Lordship, we'll come up with a follow-up because this was the first step where the arrest and illegal seizure was done. And the second step, Lordship, would be we'll come before this court with proper documentation.
Because then the exercise that is being conducted by Justice Kataki, this can be part of that.
Absolutely.
It can be auctioned and the state can earn revenue.
Absolutely.
It's your property
Absolutely.
at the end of the day.
Now, at least by putting this mechanism in place, Lordship, we have almost got hold of 31 cases.
And what is the total quantity seized?
Lordship, that is where matters under investigation. We'll come with a detailed report as to what was seized, who was arrested, and where the seized matter has come. This will require a bit of detailed report from the police.
Very well. In the meantime, considering the inadequate ad hoc payments released till now to Justice Kataki, let a further sum of rupees 3 lakh be paid immediately, in addition to the secretarial expenses for which directions have been previously issued. It will appear a fortnight hence.
Absolutely.
Mr. Khan,
Lordship.
please do not think that, we are trying to bypass.
Not for a moment, Lordship.
Convince us
Absolutely, Lordship.
that you are adequate and we are proud to then accept and deploy you. We do not want anyone.
Lordship, we are absolutely aware what has fallen, Lordship. We are trying to get our house in order, the system in place, and we are also thinking, Lordship, in vulnerable places to have more reinforcement of
Plus, the elections are over.
police, Lordship. Your Lordship.
Deeply.
Get
Any mention for unlisted matter? Any mention for unlisted matter? From the main list, item number 1.
Where is Mr. Nongvi?
I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent number 5 and 6, Your Lordship, on the absence of Mr. Philemon Nongri, Your Lordship.
Yes?
On behalf of Mr. Philemon Nongri, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 5 and 6, Your Lordship.
Yes. We had last time said the schedule.
Yes, Your Lordship. In compliance to the order dated 17/4 of 2023, we have filed a affidavit to bring on record the action taken in court.
You filed it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You got copies of it? Are things better?
My lord, I had my instruction. I will bring it by way of affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Whereby we will mention the number of.
Very well. An affidavit has been filed by the Jawai municipality pursuant to the order dated April 17, 2023. Paragraph: the petitioner flags several issues and says that all is not well in the matter of collection of garbage in the town of Jawai, full stop. Paragraph: the petitioner's affidavit in such regard should be filed within a week from date. The matter will appear 10 days hence. Huh? Is the Jawai District Council involved in the process?
My lord, they are party to it, my lord.
So, you should also take some responsibility. In the meantime, the Jawai District Council should act in conjunction with the municipality to ease the citizens' woes.
Item number 2.
You are
Lordship, yes.
you are appearing, Mr. Ahmed?
It's for you.
What is this matter?
It's a coke, coke plans, Lordship, the illegal coke, shutting down of the coke plans. And Lordship, as per 13/3/2023 order, the petitioner was supposed to file rejoinder.
Who's supposed to? The state?
The petitioner, Lordship.
They have not filed a rejoinder.
Matt, this is Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, we filed an RTI and we sought some informations on 14 March 2023. And on last occasion, your Lordship was pleased to accord us some time for filing this rejoinder to the additional affidavit. Now, Lordship, the authority has not provided us any information, and they have replied that
there's a procedure under the RTI Act. If it's not done within a particular period of time, there's an appellate provision, there's a further appeal provision. We cannot wait indefinitely for that. The petitioner says that the rejoinder that the petitioner. Let us see, we'll help you. We'll help you. The petitioner says that the information that the petitioner requires to file a rejoinder has not been made available despite queries being raised under the Right to Information Act 2005. Full stop. Paragraph: notwithstanding the procedure under the said Act of 2005, it is hoped that the information that the petitioner has sought will be made available as expeditiously as possible. Full stop. The time for the petitioner to file the rejoinder is extended by 10 days from date. Full stop. Copies of the rejoinder should be forwarded to the a copy of the rejoinder should be forwarded to the state at least a day before the matter appears next. Full stop. The matter will appear a fortnight hence. What information? This is not any state secret or anything. Ask them to give that information. The moment you withhold information, always there's an adverse influence which is
Absolutely,
drawn.
yes.
Give the information. Yes.
Item number 3.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yes, Dr. Muzika. You're for the appellant?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
But this is the bail matter, my lord.
How is it progressed?
My lord, on the last occasion, your lordships have observed that if he is interested in some kind of interim bail for this conjugal sort of thing, my lord.
Yes.
That can be considered, my lord, by lordships. So, lordship, today I'm a little handicapped, my lord. My lord.
When are you coming back to court?
Well, on Monday I'll be there, my lord.
Very good. We'll keep it on Monday itself.
My lord.
Since Dr. Muzika is unavailable in court, since learned DSGI is unavailable in court, let the matter stand over, paragraph, list it on Monday's date, whatever.
Monday, my lord. Deeply.